Index Rasgueado exercise. At 100, just make sure that your fingers are out like this, okay? Your thumb can be on the low 6th string. Eventually, you should be able to move it to any string to be able to adjust, or even on the soundboard, okay? So, but right now, just get used to having it on the 6th string. Have your fingers out like this. I do not want to see this. That goes against the mechanics of your hand. Watch the Rasgueado quick study, okay? So this is at 100. 1, 2, 3, 4.